Mawakiri kaunti-inĩ Meru batongeretwo nĩ mũkarĩrĩgĩti wa mawakiri bagĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya Joel Buria nĩ bagĩtĩte maandamano rũkĩrĩrwo na rũmũchini jo mũtindo bakimenerie kubia njĩra ya kĩriga bya mawakiri aja nthigũrũ nĩ bandamanĩte nyuma ya mawakiri baĩrĩ gũtũmĩrwa kũra na nyumene mĩrĩ yao kuoneka Boragia. Mũthuri Muriuki na kũjĩrĩte maandamano jaja.
Kiama kia mawakili ya kuma kaunti ya Meru batongeretwo nĩ mũkarĩgĩti wa Mount Kenya Joel Buria ibombete kũthobakithia maandamano jathĩrĩ bakimeneria ikuũ bya mabao barabombete kũrawa na njĩra itekũmenyekana.
Kwĩna ofisa ũmwe wa Kenya Forest Service ũgwĩtwo Esther Wairimu arethirwe ate inauga tundu forest oragi na tũrĩrwo tũkerwa orairwe nuntu bokũra ku process a certain transaction na twethera kwina another advocate nyo gwitwa Edward Muthe no yatewa omenyombewe oragi ambite kuregita so atureaja kuria thirikari tukwendethithia investigation kutonya into these issues irachukarika against advocates fraternity.
Nina's advocate for the Kenya Forest Services was killed, and we hear she was killed for failing to approve some business happening inside the institution. As a Meru-based advocate, I am hoping and praying that it has nothing to do with what is happening with our forest here. Because we have seen in the last few days a concerted effort by the state and the political actors in Meru of carving out part of our forests to build state lodges, airstrips and golf courses, which as the community we oppose. We are scared that our sister may have lost her life for defending that.
Thirikari kana mtu wonde uromba kwethira agiusika na mantu ja kwethira akithia mantu mauaji ja itu condemn mantu ja with the strongest stamp possible na tukauga mantu ja tibati kwethira ja pena nthiguruni yetu at this point.
Pakiwa kila bakona na thirikari thio chunkoni na kugwata barabonde pakugwatira na ikubibi
atuone justice ikithithika for these two slain colleagues. Ikeja kuthwa kuna suspects kethiro ibo ba KFS kuna transaction buga thithirwe itiagirite. Let it be investigated and let's see people being arraigned in court. Kena nditona Esther Wairimu na family yao kuona justice na the legal body kuona fraternity ba kuona justice.
Konia our colleagues by Esther is a hero. Karegire gutumirwa mbaya ni anene nikyo gikukia wekiumite gwo itokwenda kupelelezwa bwega.
Hauwezi kutulead na bado unatukili. Hatutakubali na tutasimama na wengine na mawakili wengine ili to protect the constitution and to protect the lives of all the Kenyans.
Mũthuri Muriuki wa Njuma mutiriro kangangi.